Today we're going to bring some outdoor graded cameras, including with the solar panel. Look at this small compact solar panel, and they include 2 cameras, and they sell them in varieties. Right, you could get it by itself or with a pack. Now included with it, the actual antenna. Now this is a 2.4 hertz. All right, it's not a 5 hertz. Just be aware, sure that you have the proper network for this. And also they include the instructions in here and a template of how to mount this up, and a reset needle here in the back. All right, so the camera itself has a LED lights included in the front. It has a sensor for day and night and any kind of motion sensor too. So very simple to set up. We're going to set it up. On the actual instructions, you get the actual barcode where to download the application. Then it takes you to the Apple Store, and this is where you actually get the application, right? Ease Cloud. All right, underneath the actual camera itself is where you're going to find a couple of things: the reset button, the memory card, the SD card, and then of course the micro USB if you want to charge it to there, and you'll see the actual reset button and the power on. So right now we're going to crank it up. Mode. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do the barcode configuration code. So we're going to get our phone, go back, there it is. It picked up the code barcode.
Wireless settings, please wait.
And we're successful. Now we're going to name the actual the camera itself, and we're going to program it. Now you have an option to buy the cloud services or set up your own memory card. One good thing about the actual camera itself, it has an alarm system that when you hit the alarm, if somebody's there, start making a loud noise. Another thing is you could change the quality. Right now we're at SD, you could do HD, but depending on your connection, your wireless, make sure that you set up that first. Now you could take pictures, screenshots, or you could capture videos. Right now, if you guys can see it, it's a motion detected. So anybody walking in front of it, you're gonna see that in front. So let's go ahead and change this wide angle by hitting the phone, and then we can always go back to the settings. All right, and in the settings, we're gonna go over a couple of things here. On the settings, you could do events. It'll go through events of what's in there, and then your album. You can always go into your album, everything you captured for the day, or if you have a storage unit like the SD card, you're going to be able to see all this stuff. More options. Under more options, you got the motion detecting. It's going to identify a human being, the AI, and it's going to automatically. Infrared night. This is for night vision. You turn that on, you turn it off. It's up to you. It's automatically. And then siren, of course. This one has only an audio that you can listen to the actual unit itself. So very compact, all in one unit. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.